First of all, I would like to thank Jesus Christ for the win, and yeah, yun yung mentality namin from the preparation. I want them to feel the playoff atmosphere, and I trust my players. Whenever backs against the wall or do or die games, I trust the guys na they will perform on their very best, and credit to them all. Talagang pinaghandaan nila. Credit to all the players dahil sila naman yan eh. Sila nag-execute, sila dumipensa, sila nag-usap. Kami, guidance lang naman kami, preparation lang. But all of them, it boils down to the players, and credit to them because they work hard. Even sabi ko nga sa kanila, kanina pinag-usapan namin, Kap, it's 48 minutes. If you don't play 48 minutes against this champion team, we will not survive. So it's a learning experience. Again, down the stretch, we're relaxed a little bit because kala namin panalo na. And then, yun, nagkaroon pa sila ng chance. But ano pa rin, credit to players pa din because up to the last minute of the game, last second of the game, we play our very best.
Thank you, Coach. Rafi played extended minutes tonight. And there is a reason why Coach Chino, whom you have a long history with, put you in. Just talk about the role that you played and will continue to play for the team on and off the court.
Yeah, I mean, credit to the coaches. First of all, I'd like to thank them also for continuously believing in me and knowing what I'm capable of doing. You know, it's because it's a playoff atmosphere. You know, I've been here many times, and I know what it takes to get to the next round, and it's just trying to go all out, do what I can, whether I'm on the court or off the court. My role doesn't stop.
We now open the floor to questions from our president of media.
Rafi, congratulations.
Thank you.
So far, you've taken more of the leadership role to the point that you've been giving inputs to the coaches at times during huddles. Just talk about your somewhat extended role with this team.
Again, it's just through experience. Being in these battles for so many years. I've seen everything you can imagine. So, when I'm off the court, it's my job to see things that, other guys may not see because, I have a different angle or, through expertise, I see something that other guys may not. So it's just, me continuously sharing things that I see, and just helping the team out any way I can.
Or something like
I'm not tired.
Pwede ba yung low?
Yeah, if you guys notice, I really don't play so much, but I practice very hard. So, but hey, I'm glad we're in this position, and we accomplish our goal to get the twice the beat advantage, and we'll be ready come game time.
Coach, dito, the last 2 games, masakit yung mga talo na eh. Masinsinan ba yung usapan nyo leading up to this game, or ano pa rin, may sense na confidence na doon pa rin?
Yeah, with that combination of sense of urgency and also confident with my players. Alam ko naman na dadaan kami ganito eh because on the last 3 games we will face an elite teams, top teams, and besides we need to also adjust with the will. So alam ko dadaan kami sa ganitong situation, and sabi ko lang sana when the playoffs start, at least medyo maganda na yung chemistry, and medyo yun nga, sabi ko kay Apple kanina, gumaganda na yung chemistry sa practices. We do some stuff na inside and outside the court na ginagawa namin para maging maganda yung chemistry ng team, and medyo maganda yung contribution ni Will ngayon. Plus the fact that other players also step up, especially this guy. And siguro we will be ready for the playoffs kahit na sino yung makalaban namin. Yun naman yung goal namin eh. Go to the playoffs and then anybody's ball game pagdating doon.
Coach, your thoughts on 75% chance of facing PNP again anymore.
Yeah, I mean, hindi naman kami pwedeng mamili ng kalaban eh. From the number 8, Meralco, a defending champion, number 7, I don't know kung sino, it might be Converge or Tokentex, hindi rin kami pwedeng mamili. I mean, all of them are capable of winning the title. So, wala kang pagpipilian dito. So, all you need to do is prepare, and then hopefully, ganito, magkaroon kami ng chance sa dulo. And yun lang naman ang 50-50 chance against this team. So wala ditong advantage, I think.
Initially, di ba prompted you to bring in Rafi kasi meron ba nakita matchup na you can take advantage or ano ba yung...
Yeah, I'm always rely on this guy. Pag napipil ko naman na kailangan ko siya, I mean, may sa akin, may instinct yun. And then besides his play is, sabi nga niya, he works hard in practice eh. So hindi mo yan, ganyan kasi mga veterano, they have the mindset and the mentality na they will compete every time they use them. We use him. So yun lang, I trust them kahit na sino dun sa bench. And ang lang ngayon, si Rafi, si Cap yung nag-step up. So everybody naman, including Aris, and then other guys na hindi ko naman ginamit, but they are there cheering, they are there encouraging each other. And yun, ito yung team namin. Kailangan namin, sabi ko nga, mabuo pagdating sa playoffs.
Rafi, good evening.
Hello.
Just your thoughts of sharing the floor with another veteran, Perry Williams of PNP.
Yeah, it's always a joy to see him, still doing what he's doing. I know how hard he works too, so by no means am I surprised. But it is good to see him, still trucking and playing that crucial role for his team. So, more blessings to him, and hopefully he continues to have a long, prosperous career.
Follow-up lang nga kasi yung nanonood data kayo ng sine ba? Tama ba? Discuss. Usually pag nag-team battle, di ba, before the season, ginawa ng video.
Yeah, we have every week once a week banding. It's either we will eat outside or yan nga. Last time we watched movies. We watched movie yung Ballerina kasi gusto namin may napanood kami nagsasayaw. So yun yung ginawa namin. But it's a team bonding, and we want everyone to makalimutan muna yung basketball, outside basketball, ano yung pwede namin gawin. So yun yung mga activity na ginagawa namin ngayon. And yun nga, kasi kailangan din namin mabuo with Navarro. So yan, hopefully magbunga yung mga extra na ginagawa namin para mabuo yung chemistry namin.
Hindi lang ako Ballerina or ibang
wala naman kasi yun yung showing doon sa Wolfgang eh. So yun yung natapat lang. So mahanap nga kami ng Panday at saka Batang Quiapo kaso wala.
And that wraps up our post-game press.
Shout out. Yeah, I want to shout out Doc Ann, IV Vitamin Bar. You take good care of me, and I'm letting you guys know my secret now. So thank you, Doc Ann. Thank you, IV Vitamin Bar. Real Mino, Lito, what up?
Shout out, B Farm Garden Resort.
50 off.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Coach,